Alright, so there's not much to this install, either the rack or the basket. All you got to do is bolt it up with 4 of these screws here that are already attached to the mounting point when you get the bike. So basically just unscrew those like I showed in the video and mount these up. Now, one note that I will add is that you do need to kind of do it like you would put on a tire on a car, or a wheel on a car, or a hub. You know, when you do your lug nuts, you go at a pattern. Well, with these, you want to probably like screw it in a little bit on the top, screw it in a little bit on the other side on the top, and then a little bit on the bottom, and because the holes are not exactly perfect, and so you kind of have to mess with it. Now, you don't want to strip these out, because if you strip the holes out in the frame, you're going to have a hard time ever mounting anything there. So make sure that you take your time, screw them in nice and gently until you know that they're both threaded, or they're all 4 threaded the right way, and then you can tighten them all down. And then finally, I went with the basket. I had both. I installed both just to see which one I liked better. And the basket suits me because I can put my camera gear in it. On the Katy Trail again. I'm going to try to do the PAS4 test, which is not going to be hard. So I'm out here to film the rest of my video just to show you how I'm going to occupy the basket that I got installed. I also have the rack. I'm still trying to debate whether or not I want to use that one or this one, but so far it looks like the basket's going to win. I have all of my camera gear and my drone and my tripod all strapped on here with 2 bungees that I picked up at Harbor Freight today. So the little 6-pack of cables came with like 2 6. I'll just show you. I don't remember exactly what was in there, but the 2 blue straps that were in the package are like perfect size to strap up underneath the rack to hold my bag. So it sits down in there so it doesn't get up too high and mess up my steering, but it also is secure and it's not going to go anywhere. So I'll if I can, I'll leave a link in the description of where you can get those at Harbor Freight, but I'm sure you can go to any home improvement store and pick up a couple of bungees to strap your stuff down. So why do you need the extra accessories for your bike? Well, you don't necessarily need them, but the convenience of having a place to put stuff, like in my case, I shoot a lot of video, so I'd like to bring my camera with me, and this is one way that I can do it. Also, I'm getting the rear rack. I said that in a couple videos now, but it's back ordered. So once I get that, I'll do an install of that as well. That one might be a little bit more complicated, I don't know. But the front rack and the front basket were really, really simple. So again, I'm gonna do the PAS4 test today. If I don't run out of time, just depends. But I'm gonna try to do the whole thing. I did do the PAS2 test, but I didn't get to complete it because I was literally unable to walk. It was pretty rough on the buttocks, not gonna lie. So I did get a new seat. I did get better handlebars. I explained that in the last video. So they'll be here soon, and I'll install those, and we'll one day go back out and retest that PAS2 test just to make sure we get it complete, and you guys know exactly how many miles you'll get off one charge of battery. Now PAS4, I expect that we'll get probably about 40 miles. You got 30 with PAS5, so we'll see what PAS4 can do. I will deplete the battery as much as I can, and we'll see what we can do. All right, I'm at 6.37 miles. I'm at 20 minutes, and I dropped 1 bar of power. All right, we are about to hit 10 miles in 30 minutes. Still got 4 bars, still running PAS4. Not very many people out here on the trail again. I'm sure some people are working, but it is the 5th of July. Most people are probably off today, like me. All right, we are at 15.6 miles, 1 hour, 8 minutes. That's riding time, not me stopping and taking video. But we're in PAS4. We still got 3 bars. We might get a little more than 30 miles. We'll see. So I did find out you can get all the full stats of your ride off Strava if you dig in a little bit. So I'll post those on the screen when I get done to show you what average speed was, total elapsed time, top speed, things like that. Somebody asked me that in my last video in the comments. They asked if I could post those. I posted them on Instagram on my story. If you don't follow me there, it's randy.rides. I post all my bike stuff there. But yeah, I'm gonna post the results at the end of the video of what I actually got, now that I know that I can do that. All right, we passed 20 miles. Still got 3 bars. We are at 1 hour, 21 minutes. And I will try to complete this. All right, we're right at 22 miles. And now we're down to 2 bars of power. Ride time is 1 hour, 27 minutes. All right, we're at 24 miles, 1 hour, 33 minutes. Still got 2 bars, still on PAS4. All right, we're down to 1 bar of power, 30 miles, almost 31 miles, 1 hour, 54 minutes. Blinking light, 31 miles, 1 hour, 55 minutes. So we ended the day at 34 miles. We probably got about 33 miles on PAS4. The previous clip, my GoPro died, so I didn't get to record all of that. But 33 miles on PAS4 is pretty good. Of course, you get 30 with PAS5. I would just use that. I probably will never use PAS4 again. I just wanted to test it. I will be doing PAS3 and 2 and maybe one day. But just to show you what the battery can do. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and if you like this video, go down there and hit that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good day.